Senator Ifeanyi has joined the growing number after the lawmakers. He joined the challenge to help the palliative in the state. People describe it as a massive project and a demonstration of life-changing employment program. Delivering in speech, Governor of Imo State will follow the strong economic policy introduced by the federal government. They also said that Nigerians should shower the great support for people around them.
Some describe this as massive empowerment project, which according to the senator, it is a demonstration of life-changing employment program. Delivering his speech, Governor of Imo State explains that these benefits will follow the strong economic policy introduced by the federal government. He appeals that Nigerians should extend support to vulnerable groups around them.